Okay, so this is mine train. I get stapled into everything today. I hope they don't do the same in Valley B. Oh, that thing. Okay guys, here we go. Mine train at Slagharen here in Holland or Netherlands. Oh, it is a great view. Look at this. Wow. Okay, here we go. Woo! Woo! Oh, that's some speed. That was more speed than I thought. Whee! By the way, this is a Vekoma, if you were wondering. Smile. We're in a photo. I have to tell you, that was pretty nice.
Yeah, I didn't know that it's going to go so fast.
No, it is fast. It's a nice little mine train. I really hope you like that, YouTube. And if you're only watching the on-ride video, remember to check the vlog out. Also, it's on the channel. It's linked in the top right corner.
Gracias.